Hi, I'm Sarah Symmes, and I'm a registered physiotherapist and a fellow of the Canadian Academy of Manipulative Physiotherapy, also known as CAMPT-Certified. You can find a CAMPT-Certified physiotherapist in a variety of settings, including in the client's home. And I love working with clients in their homes because it gives me a wide range of abilities. I can set up a table and offer manual or hands-on care, but I can also see how the client moves within their home and just address any of the challenges or barriers that they might be having there. I can assist them with modifying their exercises based on the space and equipment they have. And then we can also work on really fundamental things like mobility, balance, and falls prevention, which are all really important with living well in your home. Lastly, I love in-home care because it allows me to offer physiotherapy that is really accessible and truly client-centered. And I think it's that core value of client-centered care that makes me really proud to be a CAMPT-certified physiotherapist. So hope to see you moving well within your home. Bye.
CAMPT-certified physiotherapists have received internationally recognized training in hands-on therapy. We can help you get better, recover faster, and stay healthier. So if you want to stay active in the things you love to do, then look for this logo. For more information on how to find a CAMPT-certified physiotherapist, visit www.manippt.org.